Okay.
Yeah.
I see the train down there. John, sit next to Papa, close. Now, look down there, John. You see the light? It's a slow train.
I see it. Ding, ding, ding.
That's what it's going to do.
Oh, the bar. Oh, the bar.
I think so. What are those men doing over there?
Oh, what?
What are those men doing? Here it comes. Oh, it's a fast one. Hold your ears. This is like the grandparents scaring the grandchildren. Wow. Let's see. You want to wait for a slow one?
Yeah. Wait for a slow one.
All right, let's go. You cold?
No.
You're gonna get sick.
I will see.
You get sick, you won't be able to go to Lauren's wedding.
No.
This was not to see trains.
No, slow one.
There's no slow ones coming for a long time.
What do you think? Like 5 minutes?
I have no idea, really.
Joseph, where's the train? Where's the choo-choo?
I see a fast choo-choo train. I see fast choo-choo.
They're so loud. All right, that's enough.
No,
Well, we'll sit in the car for a slow one then, because you're gonna get sick sitting out here in the car.
No, but I got one.
Wait for the car.